I pay more than the minimum every month, but I barely make a thing. Oh, okay. So if your cars are super maxed out, you just gotta start. You just gotta pay it off in chunks. You know what I tell people? I say you gotta lower your expenses. Everybody can lower their expenses. The people that say I can't lower my expenses, those are the people that can for sure lower your expenses. All right. I'm talking about Hulu, YouTube, all the apps on our phones, all that good stuff. Cancel all that. That's a couple hundred right there that we can use towards our cards. Easy work. If you have a 9 to 5 job, you can work overtime. There's no reason you shouldn't be working 3 to 5 hours overtime. 1 hour overtime a day. It's only you wake instead of waking up at 8:30. Wait, instead of waking up at 8, getting dressed, leaving the house at 8:30 to get to work at 9. All it is getting up at 7:30, 30 minutes, leaving the house at 8, getting to work at 8:30. Right? So you're there for 30 minutes earlier and you leave in 30 minutes late. That 30 minutes go like that. I'm telling you, 30 minutes go hella fast. All right. You spend 30 minutes on your phone on accident. Take a bathroom break, 5 o'clock, bathroom. By the time you get out of there, about 5:20, about 5:20, 5:25, you go get on out of there. Okay. But yeah, a couple overtime hours a week, you're there. A couple months, you locked in. It's not difficult. People know the answer. They just don't want to fucking do it. People know the answer.